Hello everyone, welcome back. What I have here is a couple decorative edge blocks. I'm going to attempt to make a quick, probably one-time use coal forge. I have a fire striker that was cracked, and I wanted to reshape it and see if I could get it usable again. So I don't have a coal forge. I don't want to build one, out of steel or buy one. I want to just see if I could do something in the ground with some of these bricks, probably the way they did it, back in the day. So what I'm going to do is just make a quick line here, and I'm going to set these in a little bit. Let's get some of this out. That looks good. I got this top of this old cookie tin. Just gonna stick that down in the middle so it doesn't wick up any moisture. Put this one on the side here. Okay, I got to figure out how to get some air in there. So give me a second, I'll be right back. I concocted this out of a little mattress inflator. I got this little piece of aluminum sheet that I just rolled around so that the end of this fits in here. And I'm going to try to get this in the middle of here. Say right about there. And I'm going to put this one down. Let's see if I can get this down flat. I'd be shocked if this works. Alright, we got that coming out into the middle there. And now I'm just gonna fill in around it. Alright, I'm gonna go wash up, see if I can find some charcoal. I think I might have a little bit of charcoal. We could maybe try putting some regular wood in there just to test it out and see if we get any kind of heat out of it. So I shall return. Alright. I didn't have any coal, basically because I use a gas barbecue. But I do have a little bit of some that I made. We'll try that, and I got some hardwood. I may have to wait till tomorrow to give it a real good test, but let's see if we can get this going. Let's get our little fan attached. Whoa. Wow. That's working. Wow, I can't believe that's actually working. Look at those flames. Holy cow. Let's see. Max high. Well, that's over 1,000 degrees. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to get some more of that wood, and I'm going to get a piece of metal and see if we can get that up to temperature. Stand by. All right, got some more wood. Let's put that on there. Get that going. That's amazing. All right, let me see if I can get down to where there's some coals. All right, what I'm going to do is, I have a piece of that fire steel that's broken off. I'm going to see if I can get that in there without losing it. Turn this bad boy back on. Oh, I think it fell in, or it melted. I'm not sure. Let's see if I can find it. Oh yeah, there it is. It fell down. Let's get it hotter. I don't know if you could see it in there. See if I could zoom it in. But it's way towards the back. I don't know if you could see it in there. Looks like it's getting pretty dang hot. Let's see if I can get it out of there without burning myself. Got these flames in the way. Wow. That's pretty hot. I don't think it's hot enough to forge it yet, but I think this whole concept here will work. Yeah, I definitely got to get some charcoal. So I think we'll end this here. We'll make this a part 1, and I'll get some charcoal, and we'll get a good fire going and see if we can move some metal. So there you go. That's how I do stuff. Thanks for watching this part 1 of this Forge episode. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.